Hello, people of Grange, and welcome to the final Headteacher CCCU Assembly of 2021. We made it. What an incredible year. And you know why we made it? Because we know who we are at Grange. We know the Grange CC way. We know that the G of Grange stands for a great caring attitude. We really care. The R of Grange stands for really trying our best. The A is for always learning. Even if we make a mistake, it doesn't always feel nice, but we learn from our mistake, we grow from our mistake, because the G is, the second G of Grange is, we are going for improvement and progress. We are always learning and improving and making progress. The E is our education, which we help us to make good choices. And I didn't forget the N. The N is for never giving up, because we are CC learners, and that's who we are at Grange, because we know that the true strength is the strength inside yourself. That's your strength of character when you are the best that you can be. And that's why we say at Grange, we have confidence and consideration. We are CC people. We have confidence for ourselves, confidence for me. I believe in myself. I am my best. I look after myself. I'm kind to myself. Consideration. I'm kind to everybody around me. And I'm caring about the planet and the world and everybody in it. So here are some Grange people of power. Give us hope. Let us say, all the Grange parents and carers and children join me, and teachers and educators and admin join me in supporting just applauding them for supporting us and supporting the Grange CC way. All the Grange children who do CC walking, star sitting, CC salutes, we're proud of you. All the Grange children who welcome the new children, make them feel safe and happy, we're so proud of you and appreciate what you're doing. And all the Grange adults, our children, parents, carers, everybody join me in applauding the Grange adults who teach, care for, and help our children of Grange to learn and make loads and loads of progress. That's why we're the best school in the galaxy. And our character strength focus of this final assembly of 2021 is love, because what love means is caring about oneself and caring about others. And not just in words, not just the word love, but the actions of love. And that's because we know if we really love ourselves, and we don't just say, oh yeah, that's it, I'm fine with how I am. We say, I want to be my very best, and I want to always be learning and making progress and working to become my very best. I want to do CC walking, because CC walking is when I love myself and I embrace the challenge. I want to do star sitting, because star sitting is when I listen with respect and I grow and I make progress. And I want to realize that there's no substitute for me. I have to love myself to live my very best life, and I have to love the world and people in it so that I can share and I can care about people. Now, that might be my favorite word of the moment, love, but what is your favorite word and why? Now, during the holidays, even you can do that. You can just think about what's your favorite word. There's no right or wrong answer. It's just what's your favorite word. You can write it down on a Post-it note or get an adult to help you. Just write your name. You can give it to me when you come back to school on the 5th of January. And if it is a really interesting word that you've chosen and you've explained why you like it, why you really like that word and it's your favorite word, then I can give you class charts, the head teacher award, which is 20 class chart points, bam, in one go. So I'm looking forward to hearing what your favorite words are and why. Here's some Grange thoughts to keep you going in the holiday. Remember, we're all connected, even though in the holidays close the school and everybody goes to different places in Harrow, where your homes are in Harrow, around London, or even some people are traveling around the world. But just remember, we're all connected because we live in the same Great Grange school, which is the greatest school in the whole galaxy. And anybody in Grange, we don't say, oh, if they've got a problem, oh, I don't care, that's not my problem. What we say is, your problem is my problem. I will care about you. I will help you. But remember to balance consideration with confidence. If when you're helping somebody, you've got to care about yourself. Am I safe? Am I okay? Because I can help you, but I've also got to make sure that I am safe and I am happy. And we know the CC way. When we see ourselves, we look at ourselves and I say, I see me for who I am, and I respect all of me, and I appreciate all of me, and I love all of me. And then when you see somebody else, you say, I see you for who you are, I respect all of you, I appreciate all of you, and I'll be considerate towards you. That's our CC way. So who are our class champions right through the whole of term? Sarah G, Laura, Kirat, Yasin, Sama, Hassan, Isaac, Rawan, Nazanin, and Noreen, and Ilham, Houston, Santosh, Rosanna, Sophia D, Nasser, Nur. Well done, so proud of you. There we go, class champions. Look at this. We got more than 250,000 CC PowerPoints. I do not know if you even learned such big numbers yet. Look at these enormous numbers of CC PowerPoints that we are all getting class trust points at Grange, the whole Grange community, 270,629 CC PowerPoints. Who was a classiest class of Autumn 2? Greta Thunberg. Well done to you. Malala class, well done to you. But the classiest class of Autumn 2 was John Lennon class. Give them a superhero round of applause. Proud of you, John Lennon class, and all of you. We made it. We're powerful. We're kind. We are loved. We go to the best school in the galaxy, and we are that school. We are Grange. And we know we are confident people, and we are caring people. We are considerate people. We are Grange. We've had the reindeer. Last classiest class of Autumn 1 was Malala class, and you got your dinosaur books. What will John Lennon class get for being classiest class? But proud of you. The biggest prize you get is just for feeling so proud of yourself for working so hard. Let's give ourselves a final CC salute of 2021. Hand on heart. Look at ourselves and appreciate ourselves, respect ourselves, look after your mental health. Make sure you get lots of walks in the park and fresh air, and you do lots of lovely activities. And when you play with caring and with sharing, and you take turns. You look after everybody around you. Look at our beautiful world. You consider it, and you look after our beautiful world and look after everybody. Be great, be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Have a wonderful holiday. See you all on January the 5th. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.